Good morning, everyone. Welcome back for episode 25 of Koin News for some fresh Web3 updates. Before starting, explore Koinect.com for all your NFT needs. Follow at Koinect_now on Twitter for fun activities and informational tweets. And subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always in the loop. For the first news, a fresh wallet deposited 1,069 Ethereum, which is around $3.75 million, and bid 8.8 ETH on 110 pudgy penguins with underwater loans on BenDAO. These pudgies all had a greater than 100% loan to value ratio, meaning the asset value, aka floor price, was lower than the loan amount. Famous American rapper 50 Cent released a Solana meme coin which peaked at $8 million market cap and then was rugged, alongside all the tweets promoting the coin being deleted. 50 Cent then went on his Instagram claiming his Twitter account was hacked, saying, "I have no association with this crypto." Bitcoin Turk, one of Turkey's largest crypto exchanges, was attacked on June 22nd, stopping deposits and withdrawals. Hot wallets of 10 cryptocurrencies were affected, but cold wallets with the majority of assets remained safe. $54 million of AVAX was sold from an address linked to the Turkish exchange. Binance is assisting Bitcoin Turk in investigations and has frozen over $5.3 million in stolen funds. The tokenized assets market could reach 1 trillion, 2 trillion as a base case, or 4 trillion by 2030. But adoption is slower than previously predicted, even though it is a hot topic among global asset managers and banks, according to McKinsey & Company. Interested firms like BlackRock, Citigroup, and HSBC aim for operational efficiencies and broader access to traditional assets, such as US Treasuries and commodities. McKinsey's bullish $4 trillion scenario would require supportive regulations and industry collaboration with no major setbacks. The frontrunners in tokenization efforts are expected to be mutual funds, bonds, loans, etc., while real estate, commodities, and equities face slower adoption due to marginal benefits, feasibility concerns, and complex compliance. Solana has implemented zero-knowledge compression, enhancing scalability by 10,000 times without needing Layer 2 solutions. This allows more on-chain block space at reduced costs and increased speeds, enabling the network to handle trillions of daily transactions. Solana's future roadmap also includes the #FireDancer project to further boost network capabilities. Asset manager 3iQ, which launched Canada's first Bitcoin and Ethereum funds, has filed a preliminary prospectus for a Solana exchange-traded product named the Solana Fund on the Toronto Stock Exchange. It aims to provide investors with exposure to Solana, with Coinbase Custody Trust Company acting as a custodian and supporting Solana staking. After weeks of public back and forth between Certic, a blockchain security firm, and Kraken, a centralized exchange, the dispute has been resolved, with both parties confirming the return of nearly $3 million worth of stolen digital assets, minus fee to Kraken. The controversy began when Certic allegedly exploited a vulnerability in Kraken's system, withdrawing the funds and sparking outrage for not following responsible disclosure practices, which involves notifying the affected party about the vulnerability and collaborating to fix it before exploiting it. Certic claimed their actions were as a white hat hacker, informing Kraken of the vulnerability and asserting that the funds were not users but created out of thin air. Kraken disputed this, stating that Certic downplayed their involvement and demanded a reward before returning the funds. Kraken also noted that the initial bug report mentioned only a $4 exploit, not the full extent of the activities. Mt. Gox, the infamous exchange that was hacked in 2014, leading to a loss of 740,000 Bitcoin, has since recovered a significant portion. It has just announced a repayment plan of over 140,000 Bitcoin starting July 2024. Many predict this influx of Bitcoin might lead to a significant sell-off by early investors who've made massive gains over the past decade through their Bitcoin that will be returned. In a recent interview, Saylor, co-founder of MicroStrategy, predicted Bitcoin will reach $10 million and China will support the cryptocurrency. Saylor emphasized Bitcoin's superiority over traditional economic systems, describing it as perfect money, offering economic immortality compared to the short, brutal life of imperfect money, and suggested that Bitcoin could make companies live forever by positioning them for long-term success. Saylor criticized pre-Bitcoin economics as a pseudoscience and firmly believes that Bitcoin's introduction has made all previous economic systems obsolete. Blockchain security firm SlowMist warned everyone of increased phishing attacks in Telegram's blockchain Ton. Many phishing links are spreading through groups using fake airdrops to steal assets by hacking Ton wallets, especially anonymous Telegram numbers, which many people use to create Telegram accounts, and if they're stolen, the corresponding Telegram account may also be compromised. For the last news, pop icon Jason Derulo is facing backlash after promoting his meme coin Jason, which plummeted over 72% shortly after its release. Derulo went on Twitter to blame Sahil Arora, who has been linked to many celebrity crypto scandals, for the coin's failure. Despite promising to solve the situation investing $20,000 himself, skepticism remains. Influential crypto figures like Slumdoge Millionaire and Zach XBT doubted Derulo's innocence, pointing out his significant profit compared to his reinvestment. The Jason coin now has low liquidity of 211,000 with around 3,190 holders, similar to other crypto scams. Now that wraps up the news for today, and thanks for listening. Make sure to follow @Koinite_now and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you have a great day, everyone.